One who knows many languages.
Polyglot. Polyglot.
One who does not follow the usual rules of social life.
Bohemian. Bohemian.
Placing things beside one another.
Juxtapose. Juxtapose.
Wild and noisy disorder.
Pandemonium. Pandemonium.
Possessing unlimited powers.
Omnipotent. Omnipotent.
A doctor who is specialist in skin disease.
Dermatologist. Dermatologist.
A person who is unable to pay his debts.
Insolvent. Insolvent.
Anything which is no longer in use.
Obsolete. Obsolete.
A person coming to a foreign land to settle there.
Immigrant. Immigrant.
Something capable of being done.
Feasible. Feasible.